Now here in this question we are having set A, set B and set C are given. We have to find A cross B union C and then A cross B intersection of B. Now number 1. A is equal to A, B and C. B is C comma D and C is D comma E comma F. Now first thing which we have to find, that is B union C. B union C is equal to C, D, E and F. Okay. Now we have to find A cross B union C. Now this becomes, now what is A? A, B, C cross what is B union C? C, D, E and F. Okay. So what the result will be? The result will be AC, AD, AE, AF. Then with B, BC, BD, BE, BF. Then it is C. Answer. This is the answer for the first part. Okay, very simple thing. Now going for the second part. Now, number 2, we have to find A cross B first. A cross B and then intersection for B cross C. This we have to find. Okay. Now first thing, A cross B is equal to, now A is given, A, B, C and B is CD. So A cross B will be AC, AD, then BC, BD, then C comma C and C comma D. After this we have to find B cross C. Now B cross C, B is C and D. So we are having C comma D, BC, okay, CE, CF, then D comma D, D comma E, D comma F. Now A cross B intersection of with B cross C is equal to, now check it, what are common? AC is there? No. AC is not there. None is with A. Okay, so this is finished. Now none is with B. This is also finished. Now we are having C and D. A and B. Okay, this was C with C and C. C. Now we are having here C. So what is common now in between this one? Only one it seems to be common, that is C comma D. This is common between both the ordered pairs.